With over 25 years of expertise, Air Liquide supports semiconductor manufacturers by developing and supplying unique advanced molecules for deposition and etching. Backed by its unique innovation capabilities, strong industry collaborations, and robust ability to scale up production, Air Liquide is the essential partner to reach ever higher performance in the next generation of chips.
When it comes to pushing the boundaries of semiconductor performance, our advanced materials play a key role in the most modern chip manufacturing processes. We offer a wide range of advanced precursor molecules, from gas to liquid and even now solid materials. They are specifically designed for and with our customers to not only help them achieve greater performance, but also lower greenhouse gas emissions in their production. Air Liquide is continuing to develop and promote a new family of etching gases with much lower global warming potential, which are now used in a large percentage of advanced memory manufacturing. The use of our N-Scribe molecules has avoided more than 100,000 tons of CO2 equivalent emissions per year, which is a concrete step towards sustainable semiconductor manufacturing. By combining high-performance products with integrated, customized solutions, we help semiconductor manufacturers break new ground in innovation, anticipating the next trends of the markets while reducing the environmental impact. And for us, that is the kind of innovation that makes a real difference.